Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a funny carton of milk. I hope you're excited to follow along with me. I'm using my markers, but you can use whatever you have. And also I named him Milo, which I think is funny because it's one letter off of milk. Instead of a K, there's an O. But you could also name your milk anything you want. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing a square in the middle of our paper. We're gonna draw the letter L. We'll come down and across. And we want these two lines to be the same distance. That's what makes it a square. Then we're gonna draw the top and the right side. There's our little square in the middle of our paper. Now let's draw the side to make it more 3D. We're gonna draw two diagonal lines, one at the top and one down here at the bottom. And then we can connect the top down to the bottom. Okay, now over here on the right, we're gonna draw a triangle shape. We're gonna come up and about halfway in the middle of this shape, and we can add a guide point. Then we're gonna draw a line down, diagonal, and another line down to the other side. Now we want to match that same diagonal line right here on this side. So we're gonna come across and we're gonna try to create that same length and also the same angle. Then we can connect the top across to the other side. Looks like a house, except we're gonna turn it into a carton by just adding a short little tab on the top. So we can draw two short lines straight up, and then we can connect those across the top too. And there's our carton of milk. It looks really cool, except we need to add more things. Let's add a funny face. I'm gonna draw a really crazy one with a big tongue. So first I'm gonna draw a backwards C. I'm gonna start here. We can draw a smile. And you can also change the funny face. You don't have to draw it the same as me, but I'm gonna draw it curving around like this. And then I'm gonna draw the tongue really crazy coming out, around, and we'll come back up and in. and then we can also draw little teeth. I'm gonna draw letter U's going across the top to the other side. And then we can also color in these shapes for the back of the mouth. There we go. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle this size and another circle over here on this side. And then we can draw little circles inside for the highlight and then color in the big circle. This makes the eyes look really shiny. I like drawing our eyes like this. Okay, there's our funny face. Now we need to add hands or arms and also legs and feet. Let's draw a curve. I'm gonna draw a curve coming down and then up. And then right here, I'm gonna draw a circle on the end and then color it in. This is the closed hand holding onto a cookie. So let's draw a bumpy line, but also turning it into a circle, coming around and connecting to the other side. And then over here, we could draw the arm in the same place, but coming down, and then we can draw the same size circle on the end, and then color that in. And we can also add a thumb and 3 fingers. Yeah. Okay, next let's draw legs. I'm gonna draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom. And then we can add shoes, or yeah, let's add shoes, kind of like what we did for our hamburger. I'm gonna draw 2 diagonal lines at the end and then 2 short lines on the inside. I really like the shoes that we added to our cheeseburger, Benny. I'm gonna draw kind of the same shoe. So we draw a curve coming down here and then S curve out for the toes. And then we're gonna connect the bottom from the toes back to the heel. And then we can also add a sole or a thicker bottom on the shoes. Yeah, now you can add all the details you want to the inside of the shoes. You can change it. It doesn't have to be the same as me. I'm gonna draw kind of the same thing that we did for Benny's shoes. Oh, except let's draw a circle right here. You could turn these into Jordans or Nikes, but these kind of look like, I think it's Converse with a circle. There we go. Oh, wait, we need to add a straw sticking out of the top. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out and up to the left. And then we can draw it bending a little further to the left. And then let's draw that same shape or the same diagonal line for the other side of the straw. And then let's add a circle or an oval shape to connect it. All right, we did it. We finished drawing Milo. He looks really cool, except we still need to color him. Also add some chocolate chips. But this part I'm gonna fast forward because I wanna challenge you to color your drawings differently. Or at the end, if you want, you can pause the video to match my same coloring. All right, let's speed things up. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings. It looks so much better all colored in, and you can even add a background. I just added a little shadow down here to make it more 3D. Oh, and also don't forget to add this little line right here at the top of the carton. But I think it would be really funny if you drew yourself getting ready to take a sip of milk. And I hope you had a lot of fun drawing Milo, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.